This is not safe. Oh my face! Look at that, brother. We are on top of the city. No way. The Grandpa Mobile. If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. Owning a project scooter can be annoying sometimes. Like, bruh, it might look fun on videos, but this shit always breaks.
Oh no, flat tire. Let's fix it.
Holy shit! God damn! Over the past couple of videos, like my BMS died and then my controllers died, and I fixed both of those, no problem. What's next, bro? What can go wrong again?
That's not good. Burned my motor. I guess this was too much power. So I got a little upgrade for the G2 Master right here. So this is the stock motor, right? Like this is the stock motor that I burned. This one looks a lot beefier. Both of them are 45H, so same width, but like look at the coils on this one, they look much beefier. I'm gonna try putting this one on.
So yeah, I just installed a bigger motor which I got from Joy on Wheels. I borrowed his motor. Let's take it for a spin. Bro, look at this. The G2 Master got upgraded, bro. Look at this motor. Massive compared to that one. Pretty much the same size, but this one is beefier. It has the torque of a tank right now. Let's go ride it. Can I do a wheelie? Oh my days, it has torque. Bro, doing a wheelie is so easy now because it has so much torque. No way! The Grandpa Mobile! Bro, there's no way! And it's fully charged. The pedals on this thing look so goofy. Yeah, they spin. Your kickstand is down. Nah, let the pedals spin. Look at that. Oh yeah, suspension check. 30 kilometers per hour speed limit. Hell no. Bro, the Grandpa Mobile is better than anything. The Grandpa Mobile is better than my G2 Master. It has the pedals. My G2 Master doesn't have pedals.
Keep it.
Where?
Here, bro.
Look at the pedals, bro. Bro, the pedals are doing the 6-7 mode. I'm not going full throttle because I'll crash. Oh, what a beautiful day. Look at this. Summer is back, bro. The past couple of days I've been melting, brother. The AC been working overtime. Oh my days, bro. It's been so hot. Right now it's perfect. It's like 20-25 degrees, I don't know, something like that. Nice. 1000cc bike. God damn, look at that tire, bro. It's massive. Had to flex a little in front of the biker. I ain't gapping that shit anyway, it's 1000ccs. That shit will gap me in first gear. I had to put washers in between the swing arms to make them wider so this motor fits. It's just a little wider. Oh my days. It's dusty as hell, bro. How did that happen? Yeah, I ain't power washing it. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not. I don't think this is waterproof. It's fine for rain, but like if you power wash it, my controllers are gonna be swimming. Little black dog and little white dog. Wanna pet them. Why is it making that sound? It sounds like a... It sounds like the G2 horn. Bro, it's barely moving, bro. How much power does it have? 1000. There's no way. Bro, my grip is falling apart. Gotta change my grips. But like, I don't wanna change my grips because they have emotional value. Like, these grips have been on the G2 Pro, on the Master, on the Motus. I never talked about that scooter, but that was a tough scooter, bro. That scooter was like, god damn, bro. It was so powerful. It had the same specs as a stock G2 Master, but like, it felt so much more powerful. I don't know why. Red Bull BMW, bro. What? Imagine it had drinks in the trunk. What a beautiful day. Oh yeah, bro. Let me test drive this shit. Oh my days, bro. What is this? Peak vehicle right here, bro. Oh my days, bro. Why is it wobbling? Like, bro, this thing is so unstable. Whoa. Ah! Oh! Ah! Whoa! God damn! Bro, what am I riding? Oh! The throttle response is crazy. Like, you have to wait 10 business days before it pulls. The grandpa mobile. Look at the pedals there. The pedals are spinning, bro. Oh, back on the master. I'm gonna do this time I'm gonna do an acceleration test. I wanna see how hard this scooter accelerates. Oh shit! The police, bro. The grandpa mobile sounds so tough, bro. It's beeping. Yo, charging station. Oh my god. Every bump feels like I'm getting cracked in the ass. Is it powerful? Of course it's powerful. I built it. Don't scare the goat. Hey! Okay, let's launch it. Come on. Oh my days! God damn, brother. Changed my settings real quick. More power we got in here. Okay, let's send it. Oh my days! Wow! Oh my days!
Damn, bro. That was really fast.
Holy launch, brother. Bro, what is going on? Bro, what is this, bro? The grandpa mobile. The phone is falling. You put it deeper. What are you talking about? Oh shit! My days, bro, my legs are itching. So many mosquitoes. Yeah! Yes, daddy! What? Look at this, bro. Ow! Romania roads. Yeah, the grandpa mobile can't keep up. The G2 Master just launches, bro. So much torque. These Vesks are insane, brother. If you wanna fly in the stratosphere with your scooter, just get these Vesks. Oh yeah, night rides are the best. I don't have a headlight anymore. I need to remake the lighting system. The High Boy's front tire is punctured, but like as long as the object is still inside of the tire, it's not gonna deflate. They're doing a ride out or something. Let's see. What do we got here? A G2 Max, G4, another G4, another G4, a G2. I just left half of my tire there. I got the massive motor on the rear of the G2 Master. It's not that massive actually. You ain't gapping me. Yo, what up? Hey, same tires. Hey, bro, has big handlebars. Ooh, and XOD brakes. Bro, why the handlebars look so good? Bro, I gotta change my grip. Look at this. This grip is coming apart, bro. I gotta change it. Bro is calling the police, bro. Pack it up. Pack it up, bro. God damn, bro. So many people around here. I got the Shimano brakes. These brakes are like 5 years old. What, bro? Bro has a keyboard. Let me climb this. Hold on. So easy, bro. Nah, bro. Look at the fender. It's bent.
Are you tuning?
Yeah, every day. Yo, M5 Pro. That's an M5 Pro. He has one, but it's broken. The Thunder controller on the M5 Pro was insane. You can't see the true scale of a Dualtron until you see one IRL. Bro, it's as long as my Master, but it's like 2 Masters side to side. That's how wide it is. Like, bro, it's so wide, you can fit like this on it. A Dualtron Thunder is huge. I mean, this one is faster than a stock Thunder. I'm gonna actually put Dualtron Thunder suspensions on this. That's gonna be so cool, bro. And with Dualtron Thunder suspensions and Dualtron Thunder swing arms, I'm gonna be able to fit massive motors on it. That was fast, wasn't it? Yeah, it's gonna be even faster, trust me. Oh yeah. Wheelied the whole street. The G2 Monster climbs this shit like it's nothing. Look at that, brother. We are on top of the city. Look at this, brother. With so many scooters in here. Look at the G2 Monster right there. God damn. Yeah, we might get kicked by the security. I got enough power to gap everyone in here. I'm destroying my tire for a video. What am I doing? Bro, we should record some flybys. Hey! 100! Bro is trying my G2 Master. Hey, bro is coming. Oh yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, how is it? How is it?
Extremely good.
Yo, I wanna try this G2 Master. Stock G2 Master. Bruh. What is this? Yeah. Let's do a race. Let's do a race. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Holy shit. Bro, the battery is dead on this shit. Oh boy, he's fast. Holy shit. Straight bullet, bro. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my days, this shit is wobbling. Oh, this is not safe. It's not stable at all, bro. With a steering damper. How much is it?
790 de euro.
La mie ție masă.
Yeah, with a steering damper it would be alright. Holy tire, brother, look at this shit.
The nail in the tire is gone.
Wait, pull over. Bro, wait. Bro, these are self-healing tires. Damn. Bro, this scooter is so stable I can do this. So yeah, the G2 Master got upgraded again. It might not be as fast as before, but it's still enough to get you killed. Next upgrades are like different suspension, different motors. All that is yet to come. All of that is gonna make the G2 Master even better than it already is. Stay tuned.